If you're experiencing issues with voice chat on your Nintendo Switch, there are several steps you can take to enhance your experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve your voice chat functionality. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can lead to voice chat issues. You can test your connection by going to System Settings, selecting Internet, and then Test Connection. Step 2. Update software. Make sure your Nintendo Switch system software and any relevant apps are up to date. Go to System Settings, select System, and then Software Update to check for and install any available updates. Step 3. Use the Nintendo Switch Online app. For better voice chat functionality, download the Nintendo Switch Online app on your smartphone. This app allows you to connect with friends and access voice chat features more effectively. Step 4. Check audio settings. Verify that your audio settings are configured correctly. Go to System Settings, select Audio, and ensure that the output device is set to your preferred option, whether it's headphones or the console speakers. Step 5. Restart your devices. If issues persist, try restarting both your Nintendo Switch and your router. This can help resolve temporary glitches and improve connectivity for voice chat. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your voice chat experience on the Nintendo Switch. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.